Hello everyone, in this lecture let's study about the UNCCD. But before that, let's understand the framework of this. First, let's understand when it is established, how many parties does this convention have, whether the convention is legally binding or not, and then what is the major objective of having this convention, what does it focus on, and how does it ensure that its focus or its objectives are met, and what kind of approach does the convention follow, and what are the advantages of implementing convention like UNCCD. So to start off with UNCCD, it stands for United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. It was established in the year 1994 and it has 194 parties as its signatories. How will I remember this? It was established in 1994 and it has 194 parties. Is it legally binding? Yes, it's a legally binding international agreement. So once the party ratifies the convention, it becomes an obligation for the party to follow it. And what are the objectives of the convention? The major objective of the convention is to fight the global problems of desertification, land degradation, and drought. In short, you can remember the word DLDD, which is desertification, land degradation, and drought. So this convention tries to address the problem of desertification, land degradation, or drought by following a bottom-up approach where there is the participation of the local people to fight these global problems. And the convention focuses on SLM, that is the Sustainable Land Management. And now let's see how the keyword desertification and land degradation are defined in the convention. Desertification, as per the convention, does not include the expansion of deserts. It basically means the degradation of land in dry lands, which includes semi-arid regions, arid regions, and dry subhumid regions. And then comes land degradation. The convention found that land degradation is one of the major problems why there is a lot of vulnerability being caused to the humans and the ecosystem. And as per the convention, land degradation is defined as the long-term loss of ecosystems' functions and ecosystems' productivity. As a result, the strategy called the SLM, that is the Sustainable Land Management, is being followed by the convention, where it focuses to change the land use pattern such that we can enhance the functions of the ecosystem and the productivity of the ecosystem. And UNCCD is considered to be one of the conventions of UNCCD is considered to be one of the Rio conventions, and the advantage of implementing UNCCD is that it helps us achieve the Millennium Development Goals and Sustainable Development. We know that fighting the poverty is one of the major objectives of the Millennium Development Goal. So in a very indirect manner, we can say that UNCCD also helps in reducing the poverty by stopping land degradation and also reversing the land degradation. So that is it with the concept of UNCCD. Thank you.